Alright guys, today we are fitting a bunch of M Performance parts to my M2. We've got the rear performance spoiler in carbon going on. We have got the front black performance kidney grills, and we've got the M Performance wing mirrors. Let's get to it.
Let's do some unboxing.
Yeah, I'm excited. I haven't actually opened any of this yet at all. The other one must have the
other grill.
the M2 badge. I'm hoping is on it. I don't want to have to take the existing one off. Yeah, there we go. They look nice.
They do.
Boom.
Yeah, what's in this guy?
This should be a carbon spoiler. Boom. Oh, whoa.
That is nice.
Whoa. BMW. Genuine. I was torn. I was going to buy a non-genuine one.
A fakey.
I was, because a lot of people were saying that they're good, but you know me, I'd end up complaining about it.
Yeah. You'd find a problem with it. Hey.
And loads of
bits.
Mirrors. Loads of mirror parts.
So we have to build the mirrors
completely, yeah. So they come in 3 parts, I think. So that's like the inside part, obviously.
Yeah.
That part, which is obviously the base. The bits go together.
Like that.
Like that.
Kind of.
Something like that, yeah. I went for body coloured.
Oh yeah?
A bit more OEM.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look good.
Grills are going to be the easiest.
Well, you say that.
Fit.
You say that. The fucking, you have to like take the bumper off the top.
Jesus.
Get your hand in behind.
It's not just like mine where you lift and pull.
No. No, not at all.
Try that.
So yeah, no, it doesn't work. Trust me. Trust me, it doesn't work. Car alarm is really irritating, isn't it? Taking off the weather strip because I think I need to undo these.
So we have to take.
You have to take these off, and then when you do that, this makes this like mega flexible.
Right.
And you get in behind, and you can get the grills out.
Okay. So we're not having to go full bumper off.
I don't think so. Well, I watched a video of a guy do it this way. It looked okay, but like you're proper flexing the bumper.
Yeah.
But hopefully it's alright. I'm not used to the screws that just come out normally. I'm used to like evil parts that are just rusted everywhere.
Nice. Self-tappers.
This is really nice. Okay. I'm not gonna get my hand down there. Oh. Oh.
Lose that wee clip.
Oh, what a fucking hassle this is. Watching YouTube, doing a YouTube.
He's to his elbow, that guy.
Okay, well.
You're gonna want to take your hoodie off. I don't think it's giving you too much thickness.
No. So, elbow deep. Is
elbow deep. Behind the...
This guy gets a lot of flex on that bumper.
Yeah, a lot of leverage.
Gives me a lot.
Close.
Jesus Christ. That's some sort of awkward porno.
Do you feel it? Is it in you?
I don't know, it's jamming my hand really badly.
Super. I'm going to keep a wee bit of pressure there so that one doesn't pop back in. Oh, I don't like the noise of that it's making. Oh, alright.
Oh my god, my hand's jammed. Thanks, Mike.
No worries, thanks McGuire's.
Detail and spray.
Gorgeous. Get nice and clean in there.
Get all these bugs out. If anyone is wondering how you actually do it, get someone with a long arm.
A really long arm.
Like someone with a long skinny arm.
Much longer than mine and much skinnier than mine.
And ram it behind the bumper.
Oh! The other grill's off.
Oh yeah. Oh. Didn't even think. Once one's off basically, the other one's a breeze in comparison. There we go.
Done.
Okay.
Jesus.
Let's get that clean too.
Jesus.
We were getting new ones on. Come on.
Well, that was a lot easier.
Done.
Done.
Definitely looks better. That's too
Wow,
easy.
that's irritating.
So much work to get them off. Yeah, grills are easy. And then, are we doing mirrors next? I
Yeah,
think we should. Go front to back.
We'll do the mirrors.
We're back together.
We're back together. We can shut the bonnet.
Yeah, let's shut that one.
Have a little look.
There it is.
There she is.
That's first mod.
First mod on the BM. Yeah.
Feel.
Feel good. It's nice to see.
First mod in like years.
Mod it well. Yeah, I bagged the golf, I just didn't do anything
Yeah,
else.
yeah.
So it's quite nice to get this one moving. Alright, mirror time. Let's
Boring, isn't it?
anyway,
All that for a mirror.
all that for a mirror.
Right, so that's what you need to do. That's step one.
Get that crank right up so that we can get in and under there. Okay. Pretty nervous about this bit because you need to prise this like under the mirror. So we need to like go in here and basically burst it off.
Oh. Oh.
Boom.
Done the trick.
Alright.
Okay, that was easy enough.
So I watched a really good video where the guy said like tape up
Which is which?
the bottom one or something.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm just gonna dangle that like that now and yeah, a bit of mask.
Just a thought. Maybe you should have like done one and then filmed the other one.
That would have been much better. Like this is how we do it, not
Yeah.
what we're doing right now, which is
Let's do that.
guessing. Yeah, let's absolutely
Let's
do
come
that.
back on the next one.
Yeah.
We'll see you when this one's done. We've got one done.
One's done. There we go.
Wee bit of a
Wee bit of a palaver, but now we know what we're doing. Quite happy with them.
So
From afar it looks lovely, I think.
there we are. Yeah, it's way better. Sweet. So now we'll actually teach you what to do. When we do this one. Now that we know.
Yep. So hopefully that's sitting. Yep. Don't get it.
So we've ran into a bit of an issue now on the driver's side, which we were leaving until we knew what we were doing to actually go through. But step one's to take the glass out, which should just be a case of prizing it out from the bottom. The last one came out quite easy, and this one's just not coming out. So we kind of had to do it in the wrong order and take the back off before taking the glass out, which we shouldn't do.
270 quid.
So yeah, let's not try and replace it.
I just checked.
270 bucks if we break it.
Right,
So
okay.
we got the glass out, brute force really. But it's out, and now the motor's not moving, but I think we'll fix that. The motor's working, you can hear it, but it's not moving anything. But we'll fix that. So now we're unplugging the various.
I need a bit of tape again. Ta-da!
Okay.
Put that in the seat so we don't
Yeah.
smash
Drop or
it.
lose it.
Alright, so look at the motor. We've pulled the motor off of the seat, so
What I was concerned about.
yeah, which is looks like what we've done. So be careful taking your glass off
Yeah.
because I've de-seated the motor, which I'm hoping I can pop them out
I think we want to sort that once we've got the plastics all out.
and reseat the motor.
Then it's isolated.
Reseat the motor. Okay, this is free. Do that for me.
There we go.
that way. And then I've got a wee T10 to do around the back here. So there's one on this side that you could maybe miss. This is quite handy. Get that one out. And then your base is free after that. Like so.
Pulls out all the little grooves.
Don't let that flap and batter your car.
Remember your.
And then you need to just, yeah, this just slides out, I think.
Look at that bottom guy there.
Unhook. There you go. Done.
Just like that.
Mirror in pieces.
So easy, it's so simple.
Well, yeah.
Hassle free, am I right?
Well, if you don't ruin your fucking motor. I need to prize them up, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Flathead.
It's gonna be tough.
Without breaking it as well.
Look at that, yeah. Or slicing your finger, that's one of those boys. Or it skips off and you jab yourself. Nice. Promising.
That's it, so now it should move.
Give that a try.
Yep. Yes! This feels like a genuine how to change a mirror, because I feel like loads of people have went through this pain and been like,
Yeah,
this
made
is
these
shit.
mistakes, yeah.
This is shit.
That American guy made this look so easy.
Yeah. There we go.
That's
There she is. Just a bit fiddly to get that. It's that back corner around there you can't really see. To get them underneath the thing is a bit of a pain in the backside. And then just double check that indicator's sitting nice.
yeah.
And then this wee T10 goes back in.
Just feed them
Get all these
forward
bits through. Right.
Everything in the grooves. And then I'll get some more screws. All in flush.
Everything's all in nice and good. So you can
How
do
it
the.
should be.
Yeah, that's nice down there.
And then we get the cap on, which is relatively easy.
Well,
Pointy guy. So let's just show that we do because
yeah, watch that one. So it goes in here and it can break.
yeah, you switch sides. Quick.
I just like to get them under like that, which is nice. And then it's just a bit of a hook.
Yeah.
Get that up and over. And watch that wee boy. So that's all in at the top, but that wee bomb guy.
Is it on the right bit? Or
He's in.
He's in.
There she goes.
Success.
Beautiful.
So have it on. Sporty looking car from the front.
That's how it should have came from the factory.
So now it looks sporty from the front, but the back
Needs a bit
is
more
this
work.
little guy. This wee thing.
So as does
Nice.
pure
dental floss.
dental floss.
12 meters of it.
10.
10 meters. Okay. Are we nearly there?
Basically, yeah.
Like this?
Nah, that's free.
We'll let you do
Don't,
it.
if you don't be a total fucking girl about it.
There we go.
Ew.
Throw that in.
Ew.
So aye, all very good, that's off. Great. That's not off. Go there, Greg.
Art Attack
Sticky.
Sticky Stuff Remover.
Nice.
Stinks.
So now's the time we're going to try actually fitting the new spoiler.
I like these wee pull tabs, that was a nice design feature.
Talk us through, Greg, how's it work?
I don't really know, other than I think you pull these up like that, which you definitely do, and then you see it gives you like a nice little pull tab so that you can get the show on the road without having to stick the whole lot. And there's an intermediate tab there, and an intermediate tab there, and then one at the end. So I think the aim of the game is to stick the ends
And
then pull the tabs, and Bob's your uncle.
and hope for the best.
Hopefully it's in the middle. Jesus.
This is very hope. I'm glad I'm filming,
This
not,
is not what I wanted.
glad you're here, Brian.
Yeah, you need to go fuck way
Thanks
right.
for
Yeah, I'm
coming
just getting the pull tabs out.
and taking the pressure off me a little.
I'm putting no pressure on this. I'll hold it above and let Greg push it down.
Still happy with the
There we go.
position distance
Yeah,
wise?
so, a wee bit there.
Let go. Entirely. Looks on the money to me, like. Do the front side first.
Probably, and then push down in the back.
Tack it there.
I felt that like sick.
Tack it there. Just let go of everything. Trying to like look at it before we fucking go. I think that looks on the money, boys.
I think it's great.
That's how much I think it's on the money.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I mean it feels fucking identical. Well, I don't know, hopefully it does.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
It's quite satisfying to watch.
Right, I'm just gonna get this side down.
Yeah.
And then we'll just work along to you.
Probably, yeah. 'Cause I can't, this is really short.
I lift it up a wee bit. It's just tight as fuck because I've just stuck that end down.
What's the last ribbon?
Oh well.
It's a wee bit squint.
Well, don't say that.
Please don't say
Don't even
that.
joke about
Not
it.
even in jest, like.
Nah, that's good.
It's nice. All the new bits, Greg.
There we go.
New spoiler, new mirrors,
Nice, thank
new
you.
grills. Let's go test out the downforce.
I'm gonna let it
How
drag
much
for
more
a
has it
bit.
got? Well, nice.
That'll be that.
That'll be that.
Don't watch this if you want to know how to fit things.
Yeah. This will show you what not to do, really. It's a good one for that. How not to, maybe? A how not to video.
Well, I don't know. Everything is on.
We achieved the goal.
perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just took a bit
Achieved the
longer.
goal. Well, we've shown you the various mistakes
that people will make.
that will happen along the way, yes. Happy? Sweet.
That's a wrap.
Nice.
Like and subscribe
Yeah.
and all those things.